Welcome to the deep dive. Today we are staring down a problem that I think every professional AV installer knows all too well.
Oh, absolutely. The long distance run.
Pushing flawless 4K video over long distances without any signal drop. So we're decoding the Kramer CLS-AOCH 50 active optical cable.
A USB-C to HDMI powerhouse, yeah.
And our mission is really to figure out what active optical actually means and, why a cable is so confident it needs a 7-year warranty.
Well, what's fascinating here is that the whole design is meant to bypass the physical limits of copper. That's a fundamental problem.
Right.
When you try to push 4K bandwidth over, say, 50 feet or more, a copper cable is just going to fail. You get attenuation.
So this changes the whole game.
It does. By bridging USB-C sources to HDMI displays, it guarantees that signal integrity by changing the medium of transport itself.
Okay, so let's unpack the physical side of it first. Our sources describe it as just incredibly thin, light, and flexible. We're talking a tiny 4.7 millimeter diameter and a bending radius of just 20 millimeters. That sounds great for tight installs, but fiber is fragile, isn't it?
That's the common wisdom, yeah.
Is this polymer tech really rugged enough to be pulled through conduit? Or is that flexibility still a bit of a risk?
And that, right there, brings us to the genius of the hybrid design. This isn't pure fiber.
Okay.
Think of it like a high-speed train system. The massive data payload, that's your 4K video stream, it's carried by 4 polymer insulated glass fibers.
So that's the optical part.
Exactly. But fiber can't transmit power or, low-speed control data. That's where the thin copper wiring comes in.
Ah, okay. So the optical fiber handles the massive 18 Gbps video data, and that keeps it completely separate from electrical noise.
Precisely.
While the copper just handles things like device power and control signals.
You've got it. The low-speed copper strands carry power, the handshakes, all that, while the fiber just handles the raw speed.
And that separation is why you get such great performance over distance.
That's why. And it's why you get that reduced EMI and RFI interference. For certain environments, that is a non-negotiable benefit.
Let's move to performance then, because if you're working in color-critical environments, you need that guaranteed bandwidth. This cable promises 4K at 60 Hz with full 4.4.4 color sampling.
Which is everything.
So why is that 4.4.4 standard so crucial?
It's just non-negotiable for any professional color work. 4.4.4 means zero compression of the color information. You're getting pixel for pixel fidelity.
Okay.
And the processing power needed to make sure that happens over nearly 100 feet. That's all handled by the active optical engines inside the connectors themselves.
And they handle the handshakes too.
They do.
Yeah.
Critically, they handle transparent ED diode and the mandatory HDCP 2.2 and 1.4, all without any delay.
That seamless handshake is the real-world benefit, isn't it?
It is.
It means you don't spend the first hour of a meeting watching a projector struggle to talk to a laptop. It just works.
It just works.
And of course, the audio has to match. I see they call out support for premium formats like Dolby Digital True HD and DTS HD Master Audio.
They absolutely had to. You can't deliver the highest visual quality and then let the audio be the weak link. It handles the full, uncompressed, lossless formats that a serious theater setup would demand.
So let's pivot to reliability, that 7-year Kramer warranty. Is that really a testament to its durability, or is it maybe a calculated marketing move?
It's a bit of both. But I think the physical construction justifies the confidence. The connectors are 24K gold-plated, which is a good sign.
Corrosion resistant.
Right. And the jacket itself is LSHF low smoke, halogen-free. This isn't a consumer luxury. That's about meeting strict fire safety standards for commercial and government installs.
And it's TA compliant.
Which confirms it. They are squarely targeting mission-critical hardware environments with this.
And that's all with flawless performance, up to 30 meters or nearly 100 feet. That's our deep dive for today.
The implication here is huge. Active optical is not just for specialized IT infrastructure anymore.
It's moving into the mainstream AV world.
By delivering speed and complete signal integrity over distances that were just impossible with copper, this hybrid tech, it fundamentally shifts the limits of what a robust 4K AV setup can even achieve.
So if you are designing any system where distance and signal integrity are absolute non-negotiables, this active optical hybrid approach seems to be the new standard. Think about where maximum bandwidth and guaranteed fidelity matters most in your own setup. We'll see you next time.